Hello, my name is Libby Teen and welcome to my media lab number 3. So what I plan on doing is putting my project 2 into a slideshow and voicing over that slideshow. I haven't really figured out the details yet, but my original project was a audio clip, and it was with me and my roommate of 4 years, talking about our discourse community, which is Sherman Indian High School, the boarding school that we attended. And we just did an audio clip. I asked her questions in like an interview form, and to change the medium, I decided to put it into a slideshow where I'm just gonna put like pictures of us and videos kind of displaying our relationship in our discourse community, and just pictures of like our school and what we did, and kind of just explain things. And then I'm planning on voicing it over um with this app, and just basically uh redoing the whole thing. I will most likely play the audio clip that we recorded for the original project. Um, but I want this project to be more focused on our relationship rather than the discourse community, because as I said before, the original project is more focused on the discourse community. Rather, I'd have this one more focused on um our actual relationship as friends. Um, so that's what I plan on doing. I don't have much right now because I'm having some technical difficulties. Kind of struggling piecing it together. Um, but I do have all the pictures, videos, and everything ready. I just haven't put it together because it's being kind of difficult. My laptop's acting up, and it's getting frustrating. I got frustrated, but that's what I plan on doing with that. I didn't really change anything besides the medium. But of course, like I said, this project's gonna be focused more on the relationship than the discourse community. So that's what I'm planning on doing. I'm sorry I didn't have enough, like I don't have a lot done. Like I said, I'm having some technical difficulties, but it will be ready for turn in. So thank you.